What's going on, everybody? This is Coach Crispect, a wise guy, right here on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to make a purchase from Toys R Us because they are doing a new delivery service through DoorDash. So we're going to try the DoorDash delivery service and see how this goes. It says it's from Toys R Us right now, just a couple items, and it says if I place the order after 2 p.m. it'll deliver tomorrow, but it's actually right now 1:50. So we're gonna bang out an order here in 5 minutes, and then when DoorDash shows up, let's go. So let's get right into it. We want to go into the clearance section. We found a couple products that we're gonna buy. Back to the Future vehicle, fast. Who knows if this is local? Boo to Toys R Us. Led me to believe that. Oh, he's sold out. Limit. Forgot passwords as guessed. So unfortunately, it looks like I cannot make this purchase today, and I cannot do DoorDash because it's not eligible in my area. It looks like either the location that has the inventory is too far from me, or maybe it's just not eligible. ℸ𝕁𝕀ℕ. Let's chat. Chat is open. Please check if the items. She said, let me check on my end. May I have this? She probably didn't need. It's curbside pickup. Click on view cart and change it to same day, next day delivery. Plus, very responsive. Check after. All right, so we just mash up gigawatt car transformers. Those are on their way. Probably be the regular delivery. I don't think DoorDash is shipping this our way, which is too bad. I guess you have to be close to a location that offers the inventory, has inventory in stock. Probably that's the option. You did receive the discount right here, so that's good. And so we'll just have to see. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Smash that like button right now. Subscribe. Do my best to get back to you.